So this is my ZJ. I haven't seen any custom headlights or turn signals on these things, so I thought about doing it myself. So I just ordered a LED strip, opened up this housing, stuffed the strip in there. That's pretty much all it is. So I have to figure out how I'm going to close it up, seal it properly, and then that's how it looks like. And I'm debating on putting this day running light. Let's see if I can get it to do it. I'm debating on hooking this one up to the fog light, or either some sort of switch so when I switch the key on it just turns on. Fucking thing. What do you think I should do? That's my ZJ. It's on a 4-inch roof country long arm lift. It's on 33s. It's got the WJ knuckle swap, cab fab steering, and the last time I went wheeling I fucked up that upper control arm bracket, so I got that Alpha K suspension, the mini truss kit, like the budget kit, all braided lines. Still in the rough country shocks that are garbage. Here it is. Let me know what I should do about the turn signal. If I should do the day running light or not. Still debating it.